Hello champs! We all believe solar system means the sun, the planet, their satellites, and that's about it, right? Well, there's more to our large cosmic family. We have a few family members that we don't talk much about, like asteroids. And we also have a guest. Yes, a guest that visits our solar system family every 75 to 76 years. And that guest is Halley's Comet. But before we start discussing about Halley's Comet, let's first understand what a comet is. Comets are flying rocks that keep moving across the universe and orbit the sun. They are made of ice, rock, and dust and are typically as large as a mountain. Comets come from very far, but as they move closer to the sun, their icy part starts to heat up and evaporate. This leaves a dazzling trail of gas and dust. This trail is what gives a comet its distinct identity and is the reason why astronomers fancy these space wanderers. Now let's talk about our special guest, Halley's Comet. People have been recording sightings of mysterious comets for over 2000 years now. Many ancient civilizations, Chinese, Babylonians, Greeks, have written about this mysterious space object. But it was Mr. Edmund Halley who in 1705 suggested that these appearances are not of different comets, but the same one returning over and over again. He even predicted it would come back in 1758. Unfortunately, he didn't live to see it, but when it did return as predicted, astronomers named the comet in his honor. Halley's Comet orbits the sun roughly every 76 years. This means it only comes to say hello to Earth once in a human lifetime. The last time it visited us was in 1986 and it's expected to return in 2061. You guys will be lucky enough to wave it back then. Now is the time for some interesting facts about Halley's Comet. First one. Halley's Comet itself is only 15 kilometers long, like a small city, but its tail can stretch as much as 100,000 kilometers. This is more than twice the total distance around the Earth. Second, Halley's Comet is shrinking. Halley's Comet loses some part of it every time it approaches the sun. It is estimated that it has already lost 80 to 90% of its original mass. But don't worry, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. It has enough mass to last another millions of years. So that's the interesting story of our celestial guest. To know more about such interesting space objects, like and subscribe to Kaizen Micro Lessons.